What up, homies? Should you sell your crypto? All that and more in this video. So like, subscribe, Doge to 3K, all that and more. Let's just jump right into it. As we can see, there's a lot of turmoil in the market around Elon Musk and Bitcoin and Dogecoin and all these other coins out there. So here's the thing though. What I'm seeing from 2017, we had somebody that was, a big figure in the real world, and now we have somebody else that's new replacing that person's figure. And that person back in 2017 was good almighty John McAfee. Now it seems like Elon Musk is the new McAfee. If you guys have been around in 2017, you know exactly what I mean. But for all the new people here, John McAfee pretty much shilled coins all the time, pumping, dumping coins, all that like lovely stuff. Elon's definitely not an investor. He's an engineer, just like the man has said himself. I don't understand why people are putting all these words in his mouth, claiming that he's like the prophecy or whatever. But we do have this tweet right here by Frank. Said, it says Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped on the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. I mean, who really cares? At the end of the day, they're selling $2 billion. The market cap of Bitcoin is 827 billion. What's that really matter? That right there is just showing that Tesla, showing that Elon really doesn't know what Bitcoin really is all about. I mean, cryptocurrency in general. So I don't understand why people are freaking out about this. For some reason, we put a lot of value, put a lot of value and trust into Elon when it just doesn't make any sense. He has claimed himself he is not an investor, he is an engineer. That's what he does best. He's an engineer, not an investor. I know I said that like 4 times, 4 different ways because that's what it is. So if you're buying or selling based off of Elon, you're doing it wrong. But yeah, I had to retweet this. So if you guys are following on the tweeters, definitely follow there. But you're just saying, weekends do what weekends do best. They will sell the dips and buy the tips because that is what happens. People are selling right now when the fear is so low. This is the best opportunity to buy. The lower we go in the fear, the better opportunity to buy. This right here is we have seen this time and time and time and time again. Scrolling down here to look at the chart for the history. If you would have ever bought down here when it dipped really low on the fear and greed, that was an excellent time to buy. Of course, could it dip some more? Yes, you're not going to buy the exact bottom, and I believe 99.9% of you watching know that. But there's some people that need to be reminded that you're not going to catch the bottom. Yes, you're going to buy the dip, and then you're going to buy the dip again, and it's going to keep on dipping. You may not be able to get more because you ran out of capital. But the thing is, though, if you're buying something, especially this market, we have seen this bull run, we have seen it go from a 20 to 30% pullback. We've actually had our farthest pullback, which is this one we're currently in. So if you were buying in when it dropped 28%, that right there is a steal. Now, last bull run, 2017, we have seen multiple 30 to 40% corrections. Okay, some of them actually were like 43%. But on average, they've ranged between 30 and 40%, which is absolutely insane. I mean, imagine all the weekends selling then. There was a lot of weekends. So this is the first time we had this far of a pullback. So just hang in there. Just hang in there. Watch what's going on. Look at the facts in the chart and go from there. As we can see, we keep making lower lows here. Not looking too hot. Not what I want to see. But like I said, I do believe we're still in a bull trend. That's just my opinion. I'm just a silly dude on the internet. Let me know down below if you disagree or if you agree. But heading over to the BTC chart, we can see that, like we mentioned in yesterday's live stream, that we may end up bouncing off the 200 daily moving average, which is currently right around $40,000. Yeah, it looks like 39.5 right now. So, I mean, it's going to continue to grow because, the price action is going up. So it's going to continue to rise. But if we crash down pretty hard, we could see that happen, bounce right off there, or maybe we won't bounce off there. On last night's live stream, we did go back in 2017 and look. Sometimes we fell way below the 50, which is this one right here, but didn't go as low as the 200. So we shall see is that's what's going to happen. But just from a price action standpoint, let me get rid of these. We had a high here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we made a lower low, lower high, lower low. That's not looking good. We're definitely having this little mini bear trend here. We want to get, a higher high, higher low, and then a higher high. We want to make that happen, okay? So just hang tight. We may have this little bear trend for the next several weeks. It's definitely possible. Or maybe we shoot up real fast. We don't want to make it too fast though. We go too fast, it's not going to be sustainable. So we want to slow and steady wins the race. Get some consolidation here, and look right where we bounced off of today. Right where the wick hit around $42,100. Exactly where the top was back here in January. So watch out for that. And speaking of January, just friendly reminder, when Tesla did buy crypto, it was actually when the market was going down. And then they announced it here, and then everyone's like, "Oh my goodness, Tesla's pumping Bitcoin. Oh my goodness, they're buying it all." False, false. That was what the news was telling you. That's what the news was telling you. That was false, though. They did not buy it all at once on this day. This was people reacting to the news. So please do not let the news have you buy or sell crypto. You're gonna lose money. You're gonna lose money. It's going to happen. So do I believe you should be selling your crypto right now? I mean, if it's down on this dip, I don't think you should. I'm not personally selling stuff that is down. But you know what? You do whatever you got to do, whatever you have to sleep at night. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude on the internet. But just looking at the facts, I definitely have to disagree with that. And the cool thing is, like right now, we see altcoins are making moves. Look, Celo's up, Ravane, Aave. So some of these coins are making some moves. So, and like we talked about last night, I mean, Doge has to go to $3,000, right? So I saw some TikToker talk about it. They must be right. Of course, you guys know I'm just trolling right now. But look, I mean, things are still making moves, as well as things are also down, creating excellent buying opportunities. But I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, so you do with that with what you want to. But if you're watching that news, if you're watching this whole Elon stuff, it's silly. It's silly. It reminds me of 2017 with John McAfee. So try not to get caught up into it. Tesla, they have a fiduciary duty for their shareholders. They must take profit. They must not have too much like when Bitcoin went up and the percentage of their Bitcoin of their entire cash reserves was too high, they had to sell some. I wouldn't be surprised if they did sell more. But at the end of the day, don't let someone like Elon Musk or John McAfee or some news article sell you out of your position. That's exactly what they're trying to do, taking your hard-earned crypto away from you because they're just putting fear into you. So just watch out for that. Please, the next time you see something, be like, oh, that's right. They're just trying to scare us. That's what's going on. Look at the facts. Now, if the facts start not looking good, that's a different story. Like I said, we have on the drawing tool again. We do have this little bear trend we're in right now. I said a bear trend, I didn't say bear market. We are definitely still in a bull market, but inside bull markets, there are little bear trends like we've seen in 2017 time and time again. So just try to stay level headed out there, look at the facts in the chart, and don't let the news make you sell your crypto. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts down below. Smash that like, smash that subscribe, and Doge 3K, right? I'll catch you guys all in the next one. But until then, may those gains be with you.